Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Meal Prep 101. Today we're gonna making some salmon, some tri-tip, and some more chicken thigh, and we're gonna add some sides of rice and veggies. Once again, I want to do my best to try to show you how I meal prep with as little dishes as possible and as quickly as possible. Okay, we're gonna start with a cup of rice. Put 2 cups of water. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt in there. And what I'm gonna do this time, I'm gonna put about like half a bag of these frozen veggies. Then I'm gonna mix it. And I'm just gonna start the rice maker. Okay, I'm gonna start my oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I got this nice piece of tri-tip over here, and I'm just gonna try to cut it into 2 separate pieces, which are gonna be my 2 separate meals. And with these 2 pieces, I'm gonna cut it in half just to make it faster to cook. This one already came out pre-seasoned, so when I cut it in half, like you can see the layers that don't have the seasoning. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put some salt and pepper on that. I'm gonna put some cooking spray in here. And I'm gonna put my piece of tri-tip. And on the other side, I'm gonna put some salmon. I'm gonna put another sheet of aluminum foil, put some cooking spray, and put your 2 pieces of salmon on top. Now I'm gonna put some salt and pepper. Then I'm gonna add some Italian seasoning. You can either use Italian seasoning or you can also use like Italian herbs, sometimes they call it. And I'm gonna put some lemon on the salmon. Flip them real quick. And do the same thing on the other side. And on this side, what I'm gonna put some minced garlic. Put some more lemon on the other side. And just add some slices on top. Now you want to close it. And we're going to cook it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna grab my griddle again, and I'm gonna make some more chicken on this one. Once again, I'm gonna grab my little bowl, and I'm gonna put 4 pieces of chicken thigh in there. For this chicken, I'm gonna put some Twisted Q Crazy Chicken seasoning. This is really good. I would really recommend using this one. Just one thing, don't put a little too much because it can get a little salty. Let's turn the heat on the griddle to medium and put some cooking spray. And I'm gonna put my chicken in there. Once again, 2 of these pieces are gonna be for one meal, and then the other 2 pieces are gonna be for my other meal. I'm gonna clean my bowl real quick. And now I'm gonna put 4 more pieces of chicken thigh in there. Now for this chicken, I'm gonna put some pesto. Add some salt. And some pepper. Just mix it all together. And we're gonna put it on the griddle. Now I have my chicken cooking, and then the salmon and the tri-tip is in the oven. I'm gonna give it maybe like 5 more minutes, and I'm gonna check it, just make sure that it's not overcooking. I cleaned up a little bit, so now I'm just gonna check the tri-tip and the salmon. It's hot. I want to check my tri-tip. I'm going to try to go for like 130, 140. So it's like about medium. It's about 120, so I'm going to put it back in the oven for a little bit more. Now I'm going to check my chicken and flip it. Okay, I think it's time to flip the other one. Okay, I'm gonna check my tri-tip again. Yep, that's about right. It's about 140 degrees, so that's for like medium. That's how I like it. If you like it well done, then you might as well throw it in the trash. And now that my tri-tip is where I want it, I'm gonna put it on the side. And I'm gonna check my salmon. Still needs more time, so I'm gonna put it back. This chicken is done, so I'm gonna put it on the side. What I'm going to do on that side, I'm just going to clean it a little bit. Okay, now that that's really hot, I'm going to put some olive oil in there. It sucks. Throw this tri-tip real quick. I'm gonna put some garlic. Just a little bit of minced garlic. Some more oil. And some rosemary. Put some more oil in there.
That smells so good.
That's right. Also, this chicken is done, so I'm just gonna turn it off. And for the tri-tip, you just want to put it in there for like 4 minutes. Want to take out my chicken? Turn off that fire. Okay, I'm gonna put my tri-tip in the containers. And I'm gonna check my salmon. It's almost there, so I'm gonna have to put it back one more time. My salmon should be almost done, but in the meantime, I'm gonna start putting the rice in my container. Okay, my salmon should be done, so I'm just gonna take it out. There you go. I'm gonna put it in my containers. Okay, take this out. And last but not least, the frozen veggies on the other 4 meals. Since I was washing my dishes in the meantime while I was waiting for the tri-tip and salmon, all I have to clean up pretty much is just this thing. Alright, that's pretty much it. So once again, another week of meal preps for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We made some chicken, we made some salmon, and we made some tri-tip. I hope you guys liked it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate everyone watching this and liking my videos and subscribing, so thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.